Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well so far. So today we are going to analyze some stocks as always, and also I have told you about the SPY. So the SPY is behaving the same as we predicted before, and we are still expecting that the SPY is going to decline more and more. So let's get back to the SPY first and analyze like the price of what we can expect from the SPY again. Alright, so looking back at SPY again based on 4-hour charts. Now I'll just take a screenshot and share you. As you all can see, the market has been going upward direction and it has broken this trend, and we see that the sharp decline from this trend line, and we still expect that this is going to hit the major support zone, which is going to be 432 to $433. So I have played the credit spread on this SPY, and will try to think the way here what we can really expect from the market, and then I might buy the the call option or something. But from here I'll really see the market to to reverse from this zone, or may turn down to this zone. All right, but for now we see that the market is going to get back to the 432 to $433. All right, so this is it for me on the SPY. All right, now seeing ahead to the Dow Jones. As you all can see, I have told you that the market it is struggling to go upside. All right, and I have also told you that even though the market goes up by 400 500 point or something, it might decline again. So you see that this is something happens the same way as we predicted before. Now we see that from here the market has declined. All right, so from this zone, this is going to be our major support area. All right, the support area and the support area. So we see that from this area, if the market goes down, then we can really expect that this is going to be the another 34,000 or something from the from the previous zone. All right, or else it might take support from this area and then goes up. So for the other stock, it is going to behave the same way. All right, for Dow Jones, this is it. Now moving ahead with the Nvidia, I have told you that I'm not really looking for a buy, and I'll be looking to sell once it break down the the trend line, and it has perfectly done the same way as we predicted before. Now we see that the market is coming down, and we can really see that this is going to be our major support area. All right, same way I have played the credit spread on the same Nvidia. All right, now we really expect that from this area to uh, $10 gap is still left to fill, so I'm still expecting that the market is going to decline sharply for the Nvidia as well. Moving ahead with MU. For MU, I have told you that I'm not really bullish in MU because the major support zone that we were looking after, it is broken already. All right, and looking at the weekly chart, if you could see from here, we see that market has been holding a major resistance area from this place for this place. So from this to this, if you could see, it is making a major resistance zone. So from this area it has declined sharply, almost around $10 or something, which is really we can really expect that the MU is going to go bearish. All right, so I'm still looking at this range, 60 to $63 or something for buy. Below that I'll be buying only, but for until or unless this MU comes down to this 62 or 63 levels, I'm not going to touch it. All right, now moving ahead with AMD. as I had told you that the AMD has, it is going to touch $120, and then it might comes down, because this is something that it has broken the major resistance area, as you could see. And from this area I'm still expecting that this might touch this $100 or something, and then we see that it is going to go up or down. But this is going to be our major support area, which is going to be $100, $98 to $100. All right, so we are going to see the AMD. All right, but for now it is bearish for me only. All right, so moving ahead with Apple. Now on the weekly chart, if you could see, the price is, little struggling to the area around $150 or so. I have told that the $150 is going to be, 150 to $151 is going to be major resistance area for the Apple. And so we see that the gap is still left in here, if you could see, and I'm still expecting that the gap might fill again. All right, but still I'm not going to assume or something. We are just going to do as the price is going to behave. So for now the market is, getting into the downturn, but looking at the weekly. But if you could come to the 4-hour chart, we see that this is coming to the support zone and making triple top or something. All right, now what we can really expect from the Apple for now. For Apple, if you could see, this is the major support zone, or maybe if we could see that this is going to be a major support zone, which is going to be $143 to $144 or something. All right, so I'm not really looking for sell right now. It might go up again, so because this is the gap that is still left to fill. All right, so for now we are going to be neutral on this Apple stock. All right, so moving ahead with Microsoft. So coming to the Microsoft, we see that this is totally traveling on the major resistance area, as you all can see, and I'm still expecting that this is going to be be bearish from this area. All right, until or unless I'm not really going to enter into the buy in Microsoft. All right, so I'm still looking for a bearish movement, and I'll play I'll be selling the I'll be shorting this Microsoft from this area, and I still expect that this is making a major trend line. So from below this area we can really expect that this is going to be a little bearish move very soon. All right, so this is it for Microsoft for now. Now moving ahead with Tesla. As we see, the market is getting into the bearish mode. Tesla is also doing the same way, but still I am, Tesla is struggling right now, if you could see, but still I'm not really looking for a bearish movement right now. It can still, get back to this and again goes up. For Tesla, let's be neutral for now, because we really need some confirmation. All right, moving ahead with, there's a new stock which is ROKU right now. So with ROKU we can see that there are so many people that are trying to buy the ROKU right now, but I'm not really I'm not really in favor of ROKU for now. All right, with the ROKU, if you could see that this is a really a sharp decline from this $480 or something from this area. All right, so we can really expect that this might go, it might give a little bit pullback from this area, but ultimately it is going to go down in the end only. So for this is going to be the support area, and from that point of, from this area we can really expect that the market might get directional from this area, but till then this is going to be bearish for me. All right, now getting back to Uber. As I have told you, Uber is going to be, and I have taken the this stock already, and still expecting that this stock is going to do very well. This is my support area, so from this area I'll add some more quantity and then go for a good buy. So this is it for Uber. Now moving ahead with Qualcomm, I see that this is, it is at the perfect price right now. All right, as you all can see that I have drawn some already support line. So as you all can see, this is going to be a major support area from where we can expect the Qualcomm to go up, but also this is going to be another this is going to give another direction from this area. It might go down from this area as well, but for now I'm hoping that this Qualcomm is going, consolidate and goes up. All right, but let's see how market is going to behave in Qualcomm today. I think we are going to get confirmation for the Qualcomm. All right, so in the last, let's analyze Netflix, as the market is behaving kind of, in a bearish mode. So Netflix is also kind of taking, kind of struggling to go up, but still this is, even though the market is being bearish, this is the price where market is really supporting well so far. All right, so I'm still expecting that this may go up to this $560 again, and I'm still holding from this price. All right, and still added some lots from this place, and then still thinking that the market might touch $560 again. So for Netflix I am still bullish. I am not really getting into the bearish mode for now. As you all can see, the market is, behaving well for bullish mode. All right, so for Netflix I'm still expecting that the market is going to behave well, and can expect that the market is going to go for a bullish movement. All right, so this is it for me right now. All right, and I'll keep updating you if there is anything else to analyze in this. I hope you like video, so please share and like, so that everyone, there are many people that around that doesn't know about what to take, what not to take into the stock market, so they can also get benefited from our signal or something. All right, thank you very much.